Ready? Camera, sound, and action.
Oh, wow.
Now you see, people, the net spreads. When it gets to the bottom, if there's any fish inside it, it will try to swim away. And then by the scales, it will be caught in the net. There's another kind of cast net, so when you pull this string, the main string of the net, it will close the bottom of the net. We are not using the other kind, because the other kind will catch any fish. And we want only fish with scales. Who knows why? Nobody knows why. All right, so I'll tell you. In the book of Leviticus, chapter 11, it said that fish without scales are unclean. Jewish people will say not kosher. All right? Jewish people will never eat them. You know, you don't eat them when the rabbi see you. Here in the Sea of Galilee, we have a lot of catfish. No scales on them. Nobody catches them. Nobody eats them. They just grow like sharks. But if by mistake I catch a catfish, I take it out, I circumcise it, I convert it, and then I eat it. בוא'נה, אתה ראית מה הולך בירדנית? לא ראית? הביאו לי תמונה.
כן, זה כן.
לא יאומן. שיט. לא יכול להתפטר מהם שם? Well, you know, in the book of John, chapter 21, Yeshua said, cast your net on the right side.
Yes.
This is not the right side. There is the right side.
Okay.
We'll have to try it. תכין לי את דרור. כל הכבוד, אתה מקצוען. שפן, אתה מקצוען. So people, according to John 21, how many fish are we supposed to catch on the right side of the boat?
153.
Oh, well, Pastor. I was asking them.
He's been here before, he knows.
Oh, he knows. Just because he was here before.
Yeah.
No, you know, you can know. Yeah, I mean, it's in the Bible. So, okay. Dave, let me ask you one more question.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, he said 153, so now he will have to answer the second question. Why was it 153?
I have no idea.
All right. That's a good question, huh?
Very good
I mean, in the Bible, I think in the Bible, nothing is written for nothing. If there's a number there, there must be a reason.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
Yeah.
I'll tell you all about it in just a second.
Okay.
Cast the net first, because you know men cannot do two things in one time.
My
One.
wife says all the time.
Two. And three. All right, people. So if you remember the story in John 21, before I start, I want to tell you, during the 21 years I'm working on the lake, I heard so many explanations for this number. I don't know how many. But this one is really amazing. So if you remember the story in John 21, it was after the resurrection. It was, and then Peter is going back to fishing, right?
Yeah.
He takes a few more disciples with him, and they cast the net all night long. They catch nothing. In the morning, they saw Yeshua, Jesus, standing on the shore, but they didn't recognize it was him. And then he asked them if they have any fish. Of course, they didn't. So he told them, cast your net on the right side, and they caught 153. In this area, during the time of Yeshua, there was 3 languages spoken. There was Greek, Aramaic, and Hebrew. Most of the Jewish people spoke either Hebrew or Aramaic, which are very similar. A minority also spoke Greek. All of them understood Hebrew because they all prayed in Hebrew. In Hebrew, we are very sophisticated. We have a numeric value for each letter. Did you know that?
No.
You didn't? Okay. Trust me, we do. It's complicated. But anyway, the number 153 symbolizes the words in Hebrew, Ani Elohim. And the meaning is, I am God. Hallelujah. Is that a good explanation for the number?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent.
All right. Now let's see what we have for lunch today. Ooh, it's heavy. Well, people, today are going to have KFC. I love KFC. The problem is, we don't have KFC in Tiberias.